about this bull trap that has been building up this whole entire time, and it's still doing the same thing. So we're going to talk about this. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice, but let's get straight into it. So as you can see, this is clearly a bull flag right here, right? Still a bull trap in my opinion, but look, this is a bull flag. So bull flags are bullish signals, and we're right here at this resistance that we really got rejected at last time, and that is the 76k resistance. So we got rejected at 76k, and now we're right back to the 76k resistance. And this is such an important zone because if you actually look here, we're still trading in a bear flag, right? So bear flags, again, bear flags are bearish, and then we have bull flags, which are bullish. So the fact that we have this bearish signal, the bear flag, trading within it is a bull flag. Like, I think the bear flag overrides the bull flag because the bull flag is trading within the bear flag, right? And then on top of that, we're not even at the top of the bear flag yet. So as we start to break out of this little bull flag right here, we're going to end up coming up here towards the top of the bear flag, right? Now we might hit this 77k zone right here and then dump, right? Or we can go all the way up here and hit about 79k and then dump. Because if we hit 79k, it'd be equivalent to how back here we came all the way up here to the resistance. Like, we broke out of the bear flag briefly, went right back into it. So the same exact thing could happen here. We might come up to 79k and dump, or we might dump here and just bull trap everyone all together, or we might just do the smaller option, right? And like I said, coming up to here and then dumping. So either way, I still believe this is a bull trap. Now it's crazy though, because as Bitcoin continues to move down, we have this S&P 500 pretty much just now hit an all-time high, which is absolutely crazy. It hit an all-time high. Now, I'm not really here to talk about SPY today, but yeah, there's a possibility we could push all the way up here to the top of this range here on the SPY. If you guys are interested in the SPY, let me know. We could probably do a whole video on that if people are actually interested. But every time I do a full video on SPY, I mean, it gets like 20 views. Like, people aren't really interested in it. But we've been inside of this zone for the longest time, and now you can see we're up in it again. We're about to hit that resistance, so I can make a whole video on that if you guys want. But yeah, let me know what you guys are thinking about Bitcoin, because this is getting crazy. This is getting crazy. But anyways, getting back to it, looking at the daily chart, if you look at the percent R trend exhaustion, you can see we're still inside of this weird zone, right? Where the long-term trend isn't really following the short-term trend. Like, the long-term trend is this blue line here, and it's about to start flattening out here, and then the short-term trend is going to come right back down, which is going to end up pulling the price down. Did this same exact thing here, here, and so on, right? So this is what happens with bull traps here with Bitcoin. So like I said before, I truly believe this is a bull trap, and a lot of people are going to get trapped. We're overbought here on the percent R trend exhaustion for the 4-hour chart. I think a pullback here is imminent. I think it's going to end up coming pretty soon. Okay. So that's what we got here with Bitcoin. Also, if you look at the MACD, I mean, it just looks like history is literally repeating itself. So I just think this is going to come down sooner than what people think. And also, I guess we're not even following the S&P 500 at this point, right? Also, people are getting bullish, and they're starting to get greedy. This is how bull traps happen. They literally are setting people up for failure here. And yeah, we're in the neutral area, but we're almost inside of that greed area. And yeah, you definitely want to be fearful when others are greedy, and people are getting super greedy right now. People are getting super, super greedy. Not everybody is bearish, not everybody is bullish, but one thing I can say is there's a lot more bulls right now. Well, I mean, there are a lot of bears, I'm not gonna lie. But this is what they do. They want to shake the bears out, right? They want to shake the bears out. They want to make sure all the bulls get all their plays in. They want to make sure all the bulls are going extremely long, so then they can just pull the rug from out under them. This is how bull traps work. they want you to be super bullish, right? So there are a lot of bulls. There are a lot of bulls, but there's still a lot of bears. So I think they just want to, get these bears to buy in late. So that's pretty much what we got cooking up here on Bitcoin right now. So I think sooner or later we're actually gonna get we're gonna get a big drop, all right? But anyways, looking at what some other people are saying, this guy's like Bitcoin is now in 73 to 75K zone. Next week, the resistance will flip to support and Bitcoin will dump to the 35, 38K zone. Now, I don't think it's gonna just happen overnight like that. It never does. But yeah, this person is kind of onto something. But then again, I'm like, it won't just go all the way down to 38K like immediately like that. It's gonna take some time. It's gonna take some time. All right, but we'll have to wait and see. And then we have some other people that are still bears. So there's still a lot of bears, which is why I think that we might actually break out of this uh, bull flag here to the upside. Because again, the whales, they want the bears to stop being bears. They want the bears to start being bullish again. So what they're gonna do is they're gonna trick the bears, and then as you can see up here, this is where they're gonna end up bull trapping people all the way up here. So get ready, and you just gotta wait for it at this point. But yeah, this is all I got for you guys today. I just wanted to do a short update. Hit the like button, subscribe. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this financial advice. Check out the link in the description for Avantis 5 if you want to go ahead and trade on there. Yeah, you can get some pretty low fees, discounted fees on there, signing up through the link in the description. And if you want to check out Chart Prime, best automated trading indicators in the game, you can go ahead and check that out. Chart Prime is showing us also that we're at a premium price point here, right at the top of the momentum wave band. So it's showing that a pullback is going to happen eventually here. And yeah, and it's also kind of showing that we're also trading within a rising wedge. And rising wedges, as we know, are bearish signals, right? So, it is kind of a rising wedge too, if you want to look at that. So, there's multiple ways that you can look at this, and that's why indicators like this are just really good. So there's multiple ways that we can spin it. For instance, this is the rising wedge case here, which I, I wouldn't really I wouldn't really rely too much on the rising wedge theory. But if you would say, I mean, it kind of looks like it is. But we're in a bear flag. That's all that matters. Just let this bull flag break out, and then the bear flag will eventually do its job and trap all the bulls. All right. So don't say I didn't warn you. But yeah, this is all I got for you guys today. Hit the like button, subscribe. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this financial advice. And as always, I'll be back with another video.